Let's create a new database. We can call it PDO or CRUD. Oh, I have already CRUD. Let's call it 2. So we have the database. Then let's create a folder. Let's open the folder in the workspace. Let's create a file called index. First of all, let's connect the database. We will use PDO for the connection, like we can say new PDO instance. We just instantiate the PDO class. We can write this way, we will use MySQL database. Our host will be, I think, 127.0.0.1. DB name CRUD2, user root, and we don't have any password. And we will do a try case. If there is an error of the SQL connection, it will show. Let's visit our page and let's see if our connection is correct or not. We are using Laragon. So our connection is right. Let's see if we give the wrong database name. So it's saying unknown database. Okay, so we successfully connected with the database by using PDO. Then we can create a table because we need the user as well. Let's put a variable of the connection. Let's query. We can write this way: create table if not exist, table name users, and let's give some field. ID is integer, auto increment, primary key, and our username we can give varchar maybe 255 not null unique, an email it will be varchar as well, and a password it should not unique, and a thumbnail and I created a column. Let's give it timestamp. Default should be current timestamp. Okay, let's see if our table is creating or not. Let's get the PDO connection and prepare the query. And let's give a variable we can call statement. Then in the statement we can execute it. Let's see if our table will create or not. If we refresh the page and let's see our database. Okay, we can add our database here. This is a table plus software. We give is CRUD and host, then port, and the user is root. Database name is CRUD2. Let's test the connection is okay. Let's connect, and we see we have a user table, so our table is created correct way.